How to fix Microsoft account sign-in problems. So in this video, we'll discuss how you can actually fix this particular error. To do that, you just need to head over to go to support.microsoft.com/account-billing, and you can see right here this support article that says I can sign into my Microsoft account. You can see right here this button for the sign in helper, so proceed to click on this particular button. Once you're in here, you'll be redirected into this page right here, which will actually prompt the support option. With this, you can contact the Microsoft support on this part. Just head over and choose in here this help me sign in, and it will search for self-help articles. You can see right here this option. We can use the sign in helper, and it will ask for email address and the likes. So in here, it will change or choose the details across the records for this case. So into this part, let's head over and then usually utilize this option. Choose right here how you normally sign in. I'll choose right here this email address. And then after that, this will load and provide right here your email address. Click on OK right here. Then just wait for this to load. This will check right here your details. And then once it's done, you should be able to see in here a new page for this. You should be able to see right here if there's any problem found on your account. But if it's not and you just want to recover it, you can proceed to click on the discontinue option right there. Then you can see the sign in helper. Just choose right here the option that you wish to use if your actual account is locked, you have username password, or if you think that your account is hacked, just choose right here the correct option and they should be able to actually help you with this part. So that's all there is today. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.